Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 3.3 question number 5. Consider this data collected from a survey of a colony. Here is the data. There is favorite sport, watching and participating, cricket 1240 and participating 620, basketball 470, 320, swimming 510, 320, hockey 430, 250, athletics 250 and 105. Right. Draw a double bar graph choosing an appropriate scale. What do you infer from the bar graph? Here you see we have drawn the double bar graph. Right. Here in the x-axis we have taken cricket. This is the basketball